Hi there, I'm Lon, a Wondershare Virbo AI avatar. Have you ever needed to translate videos before? Let's discuss a creative way to batch translate videos. It's so easy to do. First, on the Wondershare Virbo homepage, click AI Video Translation and upload the video file that you want to translate. Make sure the video is no more than 2 minutes long. Next, choose the language that you want to translate into. Wondershare Virbo offers a wide variety of language options, and the best part is you can add subtitles while keeping the video's original background music. This means that no matter whether your video is a product marketing video, a product introduction video, a speech, or even a corporate advertisement, you can translate into multiple languages for different audiences, while still keeping the rhythm and style of the original language. But that's not all. With Wondershare Virbo's batch translation feature, you can translate multiple videos at once, for even greater productivity.
Wondershare Virbo 使いやすく、撮影する必要はありません。
원더쉐어 버보, 촬영할 필요 없이 초보자도 글로벌 마케팅 영상을 쉽게 제작할 수 있습니다.
Wondershare Virbo, fácil de usar, no es necesario disparar.
Wondershare Virbo facile da usare, non c'è bisogno di sparare. Realizza video di marketing internazionale in pochi secondi.
Ready to try it out? Download Wondershare Virbo now.